Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Given. We are back again today. We're checking out your boys ATEEZ. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in. It's gonna be fireworks. I'm the one. Okay, let's check these boys out. If you know the vibes, you know who I like. You know who my bias is. My bias is San, um, uh, Hongjung. They're all in there. Ooh, no cap. The volume a little too loud right now. There we go. Off the bat, the vibes just sounds lit. Oh yeah, I feel the vibes. I feel the vibes. I can rock with this. I can rock with this. Fireworks. Let's see them pop off. Captions. You know how I like it. Ooh! Off the, look at the visuals, bruh. Look at the visuals, bruh. Your son, bruh. Woo! Hey, don't hate the kid, don't hate the player, hate the game. Man slapped it up, he dapped it up. Yo, let's see what going. Ooh. Hey, come on, boy. Ooh. Yo, they don't play. The boys ain't playing today, bruh. They came with the sauce. Yo, they always come with anthems though, bruh. Yo, why are they looking so cold right now, bruh? Why are they looking so cold? Yo! Yo, this is cold. Yo, the hair though. The hair though. Are you deep in that, bruh? Yo! Hongjung came through nice. Yo! Yo. This is an anthem. I beg you, please. Yo, they swagging this bit out, bro. Look at the choreo too, man. Energy on the next level, bro. Yo. Yeah, this is, yeah, Emma. Yeah. Oh, yo, are you kidding me right now? The way they're hitting this, man, this is 10 out of 10 material right now. Yo, they did him justice, bro. They did him justice. Yo, Hongjung, come through, bro. Come through. Hongjung, come through. Hongjung, come through, bruh. Come through. Let them know. Put the hands up, bruh. Yo, these visuals as well. Come on. Yo. This is cold AF. Choreo on point, bruh. And yo, we still got time on this bit. We still have time on this bit. Yo, look at these visuals, bruh. So playing games with the boys. Yo, man's looking crisp. Looking extra crispy right now. Jeez. Yo, now this choreo is devastating, bruh. Are you seeing how Sam be looking right now? Sam be looking devastating, bruh. Don't are you sleeping? Woo, abs on deck. Yo, come on. No freaking way. They ate that up. If you think they didn't, you are a liar. You and your whole family is a liar. Bruh. Look at how, bro. Do you hear this? I feel like it's gonna be more, and I'm excited. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, we remember Kai. Yeah, that shit was devastating. But anyway, guys, raw. That was criminal. That was next level ish, bruh. If you ain't messing with that, get out of here. I mean, get out of here, man. I mean, shit. Like, if you're not messing with that, like, bro, come on. Like, what are you even doing? Like, that was immaculate conception. From the visuals, the concept, and the dance go hard. And ATEEZ always brings like, every time. These guys don't miss. They don't. They're like special operations. Like, they're like SF, special forces in K-pop. Like, they just come in, they do what they need to do, and they get out. And it's always heat. They always body it. They always kill it. We love to see it. Guys, let me know what your favorite build was down in the comments below, guys. For me, I beg you not. When the choreo, when it started hitting this, when it started hitting, bro, it was a wrap. It was complete 10 out of 10. They came through with energy, finesse, and more sauce than one would like on their meal. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, peace.